class 12th, subject chemistry, chapter name P block element means element of group 15 and 16. Today's content is phosphorus halides, phosphorus trihalides, pentahalides. Phosphorus combine with halogens to form tri or pentahalides. Generally, out of these, phosphorus trichloride and pentachloride are important, which are described below. How to prepare the phosphorus tetrachloride? It is prepared by the action of dichlorine on white phosphorus. मीन्स हम एक वाइट फास्फोरस लेते हैं, उसे सैंड पर रखते हैं, ड्राई CO2 एटमॉस्फेयर से उसमें इंटर कराते हैं। हम उसे जब थर्मल डिसोसिएशन जब हम उसे हीट ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ हीट प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, तब वाइट फास्फोरस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड Cl2 रिएक्शन करता है, चेंज होता है CaCl2 में और बनता है हमें PCl5। मीन्स अपन कह सकते हैं इट इज़ ए कलरलेस एंड पंजेंट स्मेल लिक्विड। इट इज़ इट्स fumes is moist air. Its boiling point is 76 degrees Celsius and freezing point is minus 112 degrees Celsius. It is relative density is 1.6. Chemical properties: reaction with oxygen. PCl3 is react with oxygen and form the POCl3. It is the high phosphorus oxychloride POCl3. When it react with the chlorine, it's transformed into trihalide to pentahalide. Means PCl5 react with the Cl2 and form the PCl5. Reaction with compound having hydroxy radicals means when we react these phosphorus trichloride with the water, it form S3PO3 with HCl. Also, it react with the acetic acid and acetyl chloride formed. Uses: it is used in the testing and estimation of hydroxyl radical in the organic compound. It is used in the formation of many organic compounds just like alkyl chloride, acid chloride, etc. Next name is the phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride means it is the pentahalide of phosphorus. It is prepared by the reaction of dichlorine on the phosphorus trichloride. When we treated phosphorus trichloride with the chlorine in the closed vessels, then phosphorus trichloride converted into the phosphorus pentachloride. It is also prepared by the action of sulfuryl chloride SO2Cl2 on the phosphorus trichloride. Their physical behavior is it is a light yellow colored crystalline substance. This is bad and pungent smelling gas. It is fumes in moist air. It is sublime at normal pressure and 100-degree temperature. Effect of it: on heating PCl5, it's perform the reversible reaction and dissociate into their constituent elements just like phosphorus trichloride and the chlorine. Reaction with the compound having group hydroxyl. When it react with the water, it's form POCl3 or HCl or H3PO4 plus HCl. When it react with the primary alcohol, it's form their constitutive compounds. When it react with the sulfuric acid means H2SO4 react with the PCl5, it's form sulfuryl chloride means SO2Cl2 POCl3 plus HCl. It is used in the testing and estimation of hydroxyl radical in organic compound. It is used in the formation of acid chloride and alkyl hydride. After the phosphorus trichloride and pentachloride, we are going to study the oxy acid of phosphorus. Oxy acid of phosphorus. So, dear student, it is the so important terms. Phosphorus form phosphorus develop their derivatives which are related to hydrogen and oxygen. Means phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, and its derivatives is known as the oxo acid of phosphorus. Phosphorus forms 7 type of oxo acid. First, hypophosphorus acid H3PO2, phosphorus acid S3PO3, hypophosphoric acid S4P2O6, orthophosphoric acid S3PO4, pyrophosphoric acid or diphosphoric acid S4P2O7, metaphosphoric acid SPO3, Pyrophospho acid or diphosphorus acid S4P2O5 means phosphorus form two type of oxy acid. Dear student, phosphorus ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन के साथ टू टाइप के डेरिवेटिव्स मीन्स टू टाइप के ऑक्सी एसिड बनाता है. First phosphorus acid, second phosphoric acid. In phosphorus acid, oxy acid phosphorus is present in a low oxidation state. Their oxidation state +1 to +3. The oxidation number of phosphorus in both of these acids, both are S3PO2 and S3PO3, means hypophosphorus acid and phosphorus acid. Both are means hypophosphorus acid, so the oxidation number +1, and hypo phosphorus acid represent the +5 oxidation number. A specific characteristic of oxy acid of phosphorus. First, phosphorus is a tetrahedral and 4 coordinated in all oxy acid. ध्यान रखिएगा, ये टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर शो करता है और फोर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर शो करता है. हर each phosphorus atoms has at least p in coordination number O and p is OH bond. The number of POH bond show the basicity of acid, means ऑक्सी एसिड में जो OH ग्रुप होता है वो फास्फोरस के किस बिहेवियर को, वह उसके बेसिडिटी मीन्स एल्काइनिसिटी को शो करता है. P and H बॉन्ड नॉट आयोनाइज, ये कभी आयोनाइज नहीं हो सकता. On combination of two or more than two, on the elimination of one oxygen or aqua group from the phosphorus acid, prefix hypo or meta are used respectively. On the elimination of one water molecules from two molecules, pyro prefix is used. Acid with P and H bond act as a reducing agent. ध्यान दीजिएगा, P and H bond neither ionized and nor reducing agent. Oxy acid in which oxidation state of phosphorus is +3 undergo disproportionate to give phosphorus with the lower and higher oxidation state. Their oxidation state is +3, +5 or -3. So dear student, we see the hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 oxidation state of phosphorus is +1. Their alkanicity or basicity is 1. Type of bond, phosphorus and hydrogen bond is 2. Phosphorus and double bond oxygen is 1. Phosphorus and hydroxyl group means 1. It's form 4 bond. Phosphorus acid, their oxidation number is, which oxidation number? The oxidation number of phosphorus is +3. Basicity is 2. Phosphoric or orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, oxidation number of phosphorus is +5 and basicity or alkanicity of that is 3. Pyrophosphorus acid, the formulas of pyrophosphorus acid is S4P2O5. Their means oxidation number or oxidation state of phosphorus is +3 and their alkanicity so the 2 and overall bond are 8. Hypophosphoric acid S4P2O6, oxidation state of phosphorus +4 and their alkanicity is 4. Their constitutive bond is 7. Pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid, their formula is P4P2O7. P4P2O7, oxidation number of phosphorus is +5. The alkanicity or basicity of that type of compound is 4. Total bond formed between phosphorus oxygen, phosphorus hydroxyl and phosphorus in nascent oxygen is 4. SPO3 metaphosphoric acid, oxidation state of phosphorus +5, alkanicity or basicity is 1. How many number of bond formed by phosphorus and oxygen, phosphorus and hydroxyl ion is 3, means 2:1. Their oxidation state is +5, alkanicity is 1. Bond formed by phosphorus and double bond oxygen is 2 and phosphorus and hydroxyl ion is 1. So dear student, metaphosphoric acid is found in the following polymeric forms only. ध्यान दीजिएगा, जो केवल मेटाफॉस्फोरिक एसिड होता है वो इस पॉलीमेरिक फॉर्म में पाया जाता है और सभी केमिकल एंड फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इसी के बिहाइंड व्हिच आर सॉल्व द मिस्ट्री व्हिच आर बिहाइंड सो दैट दीज after the group tryptene we have stearide phosphorus trichloride phosphorus pentachloride oxy acids of phosphorus and their characteristic. We are going to study the element of group 16, their characteristic, their periodic properties, prop- periodic trend occurrence, trend in physical and chemical behaviors and their properties. Dear student, element of group 16, it is the group of sulfur family, oxygen family, means oxygen, sulfur, tellurium, polonium, and selenium. Means oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Five elements are configured at the group of 16. The group of 16 means sulfur and oxygen family, also known as the chalcogen. Chalcogens means forming elements, means they form the ores or minerals, means they are not found at the free state at the nature. These are found in the combined state of nature, and these combined state of nature form the ores of different elements, so they are known as the chalcogen. Most of the elements of metal are found in the form of oxide and sulfide. First two elements means oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen and sulfur in this group are non-metal. After the selenium and tellurium are metalloid, while last element polonium is a radioactive unstable metal. Their configuration is ns2np4, means 6 electron found in their valence shell, means it show the -2 valency in their respective behavior of chemistry. The atom of element of oxygen family consists of 6 electron in their valence shell. You know 6 electron how to configure on here, ns2 np4. Their inner cell are completely filled. The general electronic configuration of these are ns2 and 4. Occurrence: oxygen and sulfur are found in the free state, also along with the combined state. The other element of this group are found in the combined state only. Oxygen, it is very important element. It is distributed widely in nature. Oxygen is found in air as about 21% by the volume. It is present 46.6% in the earth crust, 89% in water of ocean, and 50 to 70% in plant and animal tissues. The main minerals of this element are silica. Silica means SiO2, and calcium carbonate CaCO3. Sulfur. Sulfur found in iron pyrite, zinc blende, galena, copper pyrite. Anhydride, gypsum, barytes and impurities. Selenium. It is the rare element which is found in as about 10 to power minus 8% on earth crust. Tellurium is also rare element. Polonium found in the decay product of thorium and uranium. means जब हम यूरेनियम और थोरियम को एज अबाउट 10 टू पावर माइनस 14% अर्थ क्रस्ट को हम इवॉल्व करते हैं, तब हमें यह रेडियो एक्टिव मटेरियल थोरियम और यूरेनियम के डीके से मिलता है। मेटलिक प्रॉपर्टीज। मेटलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होता है जब हम ऑक्सीजन से पोलोनियम की ओर की ओर बढ़ते हैं, मीन्स अप टू डाउन किसी ग्रुप में बढ़ने पर या अप टू डाउन की ओर हमें चलने पर, मूव होने पर हमें मेटलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज हुआ दिखाई देता है। फिजिकल स्टेट। On increasing atomic weight, atom comes to close together. Oxygen is a diatomic gas, but other are solid. Melting, boiling, and density. Melting point, boiling point, and density increase with increasing the atomic weight from oxygen to tellurium. Ionization potential or ionization enthalpy. It is clear from the value given in the above table. Ionization potential of these elements are very high and gradually decrease from top to bottom. The group of increase shielding effect and atomic size. This tendency is also confirmed by the increase in metallic character, due to which element have low affinity of electron. Element of this group have to tendency gain electron. Therefore, we can say that their atoms from stable octet after gaining 2 electrons, so they are when we move up to down, electronegativity is so decreased. Allotropy. All these elements show allotropy. Oxygen is found in the O2 and O3 means oxygen and ozone. Sulfur are found in the rhombic sulfur, alpha sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, beta sulfur, colloidal or S sulfur, plastic sulfur or gamma sulfur. Homocyclic is polymer S2 and S4 catenations. First two element oxygen and sulfur show the tendency of formation of chain. Multiple bond formation. The tendency to form multiple bond with the other elements decrease on moving top to bottom. Atomic size. जब हम अप से डाउन की ओर इंक्रीज बढ़ते हैं तब एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीज होता है. एटॉमिसिटी. ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर पॉलीएटॉमिक्स. valency -2 valency tendency so that this type this type of elements oxidation state. Oxygen group in more electronegative as compared to the nitrogen group due to having 6 electron in last shell of atom. So it show the -2 valency at lowest stage. The reactivity with hydrogen and hydride. All elements of this group form H2X means H2O, H2S type of hydride. Water is colorless, odorless liquid where the hydride of other elements are colorless, unpleasant smelling poisonous gases. H2O is found in the liquid stage due to the hydrogen bonding. So dear student, as we proceed from top to bottom, oxygen to polonium, the bond dissociation enthalpy of metal and hydrogen bond goes on decrease. क्यों डिक्रीज होती है? ड्यू टू डिक्रीज इन साइज ऑफ सेंटर एटम. द थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी आल्सो डिक्रीज इन द सेम ऑर्डर. Acidic nature. The acidic character decrease from H2O to H2O2 dihydrogen tellurium is following order. Means acidic character is higher at the tellurium and lowest or least at the water. The increasing order of acidic strength can be understood on the basis of increasing size of center atom from oxygen to tellurium. Due to increase in size, the metal and hydrogen bond length increase, the bond energy decrease, the tendency to release hydrogen or proton also increase. Covalent character. The covalent character of hydride increase from oxygen to polonium because due to increase in the size of center atom, the electronegativity difference between the element and hydrogen goes on decreasing. जब as a result of it, the ionic character decrease and covalent character increase. Reducing tendency. Reducing nature increase slowly on moving downward from hydrogen to polonium or tellurium. Reactivity towards oxygen. All elements of this group react with oxygen to form di and trioxide. These oxides have acidic nature. The reducing character of dioxide decrease from sulfur to tellurium. So sulfur dioxide act as a reducing agent while tellurium dioxide act as an oxidizing agent. Reactivity toward carbon. Reactivity toward halogens. Group 16 elements form several halides. The main halides RX2 type, RX4 type or RX6 type means B form dihalide, tetrahalide and hexahalide of different group 16 element with the reaction of dioxygen or O2. Seeley was the first who obtained this gas from red oxide. Priestley get published this unpublished work in 1774. How to prepare the dioxygen or O2? By heating chlorate KClO3, KNO3, PbNO3, KMnO4, SgO, Pb3O4 and Ag2O. Means B heating chlorate, B heating nitrates, V heating permanganate or oxide and form the oxygen. Suppose then B heat the KClO3, B form 3O2, KNO3, O3, PbNO3, O2, KMnO4, O2, SgO, O2, Pb3O4, O2, etc. Another method to on the reacting hydrogen peroxide with bleaching powder of acidic KMnO4 means CaCl2 react with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in presence of KMnO4 react K2Cr2O7 react with the sulfuric acid or Na2O2 react with the water. We manufacture the oxygen by the electrolysis of water. We perform the acidic or alkaline water in perform electrolysis. Water gives oxygen at anode by fractional distillation of liquefied air. By fractional distillation of liquefied air, nitrogen is obtained at minus 195.8 and degree centigrade and oxygen is obtained at minus 183 degree centigrade. Oxygen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas. कलरलेस है, ऑर्डरलेस है, टेस्टलेस है. इन लिक्विड स्टेट इट हैज़ लाइट ब्लू कलर. जब ये लिक्विड स्टेट में होती है तब ये हल्की ब्लू कलर की अपीयर होती है. इट इज़ स्प्रिंगली soluble इन वाटर. इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सस्टेनिंग the life of aquatic animals and also for the degradation of organic waste in the water bodies. It's some important features of dioxygen. What the important feature? It is responsible for sustaining the life in aquatic animals. Means ये responsible होती है better life upliftment के लिए aquatic animals के लिए. It is appreciable soluble in alkaline pyroglycol. Liquid oxygen exhibits paramagnetic nature. Its melting point and boiling point are lowered. Reaction with non-metal. Oxygen react with non-metal form the oxide, hydrogen oxide, nitrogen oxide, phosphorus oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It react with the metals and form the different type of oxide. It react with the metal and form the different type of oxide also. Uses of oxygen. Oxygen is used in artificial respiration for deep sea diver. गहरे समुद्र में जो ड्राइवर्स होते हैं उनको तैरने में मदद करती है ये ऑक्सीजन. डिसीज पर्सन्स एंड mountain climber also take the artificial oxygen for their source. It is used to produce high temperature flame because it is a good oxidizing agent. ये flame produce करती है burning it with other gases. This flame is used in welding and to cut metal. In iron and steel industries air used for blasting in blast furnace is mixed with oxygen. Liquid oxygen is used as a constituent of rocket fuel. It is used as an oxidizing agent in lab. It is used in the manufactures of explosive. It is used in bleaching and in thickening of oils. It is used in formation of several useful compounds, means simple oxide, mixed oxide, acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide, amphoteric oxide, polyoxide, peroxide, superoxide, dioxide, higher oxide and suboxide. How to define this type of oxide? First acidic oxide. ऐसे ऑक्साइड जो वाटर में soluble होकर एसिडिक नेचर शो करते हैं एसिडिक. Oxide which react with acid to form salt that are basic. Neutral oxide H2O CO2 are neutral oxide. Amphoteric oxide. Oxide which react with both acid and base are known as amphoteric, just like zincate ZnO, SnO, Al2O3, As2O3. Polyoxide, peroxide, oxide having oxygen and oxygen linkage known as the peroxide, जैसे सोडियम peroxide Na2O2, BaO2, H2O2 मीन्स हाइड्रोजन peroxide. ये कोवलेंट आयनिक पेरोक्साइड होते हैं. सुपर ऑक्साइड ऑक्साइड which gives O2 O2 minus are known as the super oxide, जैसे KO2 RbO2. Dioxide oxide in which two oxygen atoms are linked directly with the atom of another element. Higher oxide oxide having excess of oxygen is known as the higher oxide. So dear student, we have configured different type of oxide and their nature. Suppose an on moving left to right in the period of the periodic table, the acidic nature of oxide increase. जब हम किसी टेबल में लेफ्ट से राइट में किसी एक पीरियड में मूव करते हैं पीरियाडिक टेबल में, तब हम क्या देखते हैं, लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर मूव करने पर एसिडिक नेचर उस ऑक्साइड का इंक्रीज होता है, जबकि बेसिक नेचर डिक्रीज होता है। क्यों? सिमिलर इन मूविंग डाउन इन द ग्रुप बेसिक नेचर इज इंक्रीज। हम क्या देखते हैं, जब हम लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर बढ़ते हैं तो नॉन मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होता है। जब नॉन मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होगा, ऑक्सीजन उससे ऐड होगा और ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करेगा। तो नॉन मेटल की प्रेजेंस कारण बनने वाला ऑक्साइड एसिडिक नेचर को शो करेगा। अदरवाइज जब हम अप से डाउन की ओर मूव करेंगे तब मेटलिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज होगा, मेटल से ऐड होकर वो ऑक्साइड जब मेटल ऑक्साइड में बदलेगा और उसे हम वाटर में सॉल्युबल करेंगे, तब जाकर वो कैसा होगा, तब आपने कहा वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक नेचर का होगा। मीन्स यदि मेटल ऐड होती है यदि मेटल ऐड होती है ऑक्सीजन से और अपने ऑक्साइड बनाती है, और यदि उस ऑक्साइड का सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर या एक्वस सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, तब हमें कैसा कैसा देखने को मिलता है, मेटल के साथ हमें एल्केलाइन ऑक्साइड देखने को मिलते हैं। अदरवाइज व्हेन ऑक्सीजन रिएक्ट विद द नॉन मेटेलिक एलिमेंट्स and form the oxide of non-metal just like SO2, CO2 or another element. When B dissolve or form the solution of these non-metallic oxide with the water or other organic solvent, just like CO2 is dissolved in the H2O and form the H2CO3. But when you dissolve the metallic oxide CaO with the water, it's form the CaOH ka whole twice, means that is the so the nature of acidity or alkalinicity. Dear student, another element of this group family is sulfur. Group 16 is also known as the family of sulfur or sulfur family. Sulfur has been known from beginning of the history. Indians were the first to discover its use in gunpowder along with nitrier and charcoals. It is found in the onion, bull, egg, garlic, etc. In free state, sulfur is obtained in Sicily and Louisiana. The same name are given for the method used in the extraction of sulfur. Sulfur is a yellow colored, odorless solid substance which is a wide conductor of electricity and weak conductor of heat. It's so allotropy. It is soluble in water, but it is insoluble in water but soluble in organic compound just like turpentine oil. Sulfur melt on heating at lower temperature and get converted into light yellow colored liquid. At about 115 degrees Celsius, it's become dark and get converted into S8 open chain structure. At the temperature of 230 degrees Celsius, it's become highly viscous due to formation of S8 power N. These long molecules interlock each other. When temperature is increased, then branches are broken and viscosity decrease. As about at temperature of 444 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, molecules formula in vapor phase are found to be S8 or S4 respectively. At the temperature 2000 degrees Celsius, sulfur atom are produced in free state S2 in paramagnetic in nature. These change may be shown. Chemical properties, effect of oxygen means sulfur burn in air or in presence of oxygen with the blue flame and form di and trioxide, means sulfur react with the oxygen to form SO2 or sulfur react with the oxygen form the SO3. No effect of water is observed at the normal temperature. Sulfur have the reducing property, means it react with the oxidizing acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid and reduce them. Sulfur have also the characteristic to react with the bases. In excess of sulfur pentasulfide is formed. Uses: it is mainly used in the preparation of hydrogen disulfide, sulfuric acid, sulfide, salt, carbon disulfide, sulfur fluoride, and other important compound. It is also used in the medicine, another terms explosive, another firework and match industries. Sulfur is also used in color industries in form of dyes. It is used as insecticide, BD-cides. It is used as vulcanization of rubber. Important terms: vulcanization of rubber. We use the raw rubber and separate that rubber in form of bulk rubber. Allotropy. There are many allotropic form of sulfur. फर्स्ट क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म, क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म में हम शामिल करते हैं राउम्बिक सल्फर, ऑक्टाहेड्रल सल्फर, या इसी को हम नाम देते हैं अल्फा सल्फर। क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म में ही हमें मिलता है मोनोक्लिनिक सल्फर, प्रिस्टेमेटिक सल्फर, या जिसे हम बीटा सल्फर के नाम पर जानते हैं। नॉन क्रिस्टलाइन जो फॉर्म हमें देखने को मिले उसमें प्लास्टिक या गामा सल्फर, मिल्क ऑफ सल्फर एंड कोलाइडल सल्फर हमें देखने को मिला। So compound of sulfur, the next term, the compound of sulfur.